Bet you didn't know. You're supposed to be cleaning and descaling your drip coffee maker monthly. That's because the oily residue left behind by your used coffee grounds after each use can build up over time, while yeast and mold growth can occur in your water reservoir, until something's askew with your morning brew. Here's how to get your machine clean for better tasting caffeine. Remove the filter basket and dump out any used grounds. Clean the basket thoroughly in the sink with dish soap and warm water. Now remove the carafe and wash it too. Wipe down the outside of the machine with a damp sponge. Fill the reservoir with a half and half mixture of water and distilled white vinegar. Run a cycle as you would if you were making a pot of coffee. Run a couple of cycles of plain water through to get rid of the residual vinegar. Make yourself a fresh pot, pour yourself a steaming hot cup in your favorite mug, and luxuriate in the eminent awesomeness that is coffee. And if you learned something there, please like and share.